How do you find the right trading style for your personality, for your needs, and what you must avoid at all costs? So hello, welcome back. Welcome to a new Traders Improve podcast. My name is Rolf and I am from Tracademy.com, obviously. And this is a very interesting question that we discussed in our masterclass. So the question came from a student and he said, I'm trying to find my personal style, trading personality. I have a desire to trade frequently, but want the lifestyle of a swing trader. And there are a few very, very important points, and I discussed this with Moritz. And this is, I think, an issue that many traders have. And after digging a little bit deeper into the situation of the trader, he said that he was a stay-at-home dad. And also all this current situation with Corona, obviously, is forcing many people to stay at home. And this creates, or everyone has the need to actually to satisfy their need for excitement. And me and Moritz, we were in a workshop last year from Dr. Van Tharp in London, and he talked about something similar. He said that humans in general have different parts in themselves. So there's a part that wants excitement, there's a part that needs to be fulfilled with creative work, and so on and so forth. And many traders, if they don't know how to satisfy their parts in the right way, they will have their trading and their trading activity as the only outlet, as a way to satisfy their needs. And especially when it comes to excitement, this can be really dangerous. And when a person doesn't have a balanced lifestyle, and when everything is just about trading, then also obviously trading will be used to satisfy the need for excitement and to get your adrenaline out. And obviously how this is done in trading is by doing reckless things. And as the trader said, he wants to trade frequently. So I guess he feels excited when he puts on a trade, maybe he even risks a little bit too much. And this creates the excitement that he craves. And obviously trading is not the right outlet for your excitement. And many good traders, you have probably heard it, they will always say that good trading is boring. And that is true, especially if you have a good edge, or if you have a trading strategy. You're just going to do the same thing day in and day out, day in and day out. Every day is going to be very similar. There's no room for real excitement in trading. But many traders, because they don't have another outlet, they will just have their trading supplement and be also responsible for satisfying their need for excitement. And one thing that I did early on in my trading is I was very, very big into mountain biking. And at least once a week, preferably multiple times a week, I would take out my mountain bike into the hills. By then I was living in Bavaria. There are always hills. You're very close to Austria. And you can have a very nice tour in the mountains over a few hours. You can get your exercise in, but you can also satisfy your need for adrenaline and excitement when you're going downhill and all of those things. And this helped me actually to create a very, very balanced approach to life. Once I was done mountain biking, there was no need to have more adrenaline or to have more excitement in my life. And I could focus very, very patiently on my trading. And in general, people don't live very balanced lives, which is a problem. Especially in the beginning, I see many traders who think that trading is the end-all be-all, and they only have trading and they have nothing else. And I think this is not a good way to set yourself up, because the need for excitement, it's not going to get away, especially in today's society where we have a very sedentary lifestyle, where you sit all day, you barely move, and the excitement is completely gone from our lives. Every day is somewhat predictable and very, very boring. And then people look for the wrong ways to get their needs satisfied for excitement. And many people do it on social media, where they're just trolling and getting outraged by watching news. But obviously those are very, very bad coping mechanisms and very bad ways of satisfying your needs, because obviously this creates a lot of negative energy as well and negative thoughts, and then you're just going down the downward spiral. So I would really suggest that look at your life, look at how your life is set up, and try to establish as many different hobbies or whatever you want to call that satisfy the need for excitement, for satisfying the need for exercise, maybe even creativity, something that I have neglected for a while. Creativity needs, it can be as simple as watching or reading fiction books. It can be drawing, it can be making music, it can be so many different things, but it is important that you are well balanced and you're not spending all your waking hours in front of the computer and in front of the screens. And this will help you become a better trader as well, because as the trader said, he has a desire to trade frequently and he wants the lifestyle of a swing trader. Obviously, those two things you cannot combine them. They are just not, you're not able to put them all together, because trading frequently and swing trading are the exact opposite things. And even if the trader has a very good swing trading strategy, he will ruin it if he wants to trade frequently. And so he really needs to address this point, maybe make a little bit of a lifestyle change, maybe just look for a different hobby. And in today's world, there are just so many opportunities. There are groups everywhere. There are so many ways how you can learn new skills online with some masterclass or whatever. So make a little bit of an investment and explore new hobbies. This can actually be, and it should be, fun, because you have pretty much everything at your fingertips. Everything is just there. You just need to go the step and just explore things that you always wanted to try and just give it a try. Especially during this Corona time where people are more at home than they usually are, and they have, maybe some people have more free time than they used to have. Use this time wisely. Don't waste it on social media. Don't waste it on unproductive things, and really try out things that you put off for a long time. See how it will make you a more balanced trader in your mindset, and it will probably also have a positive impact on your trading results as well.